Hello there, this is Farhana and welcome back to my channel. This is Microsoft Power Automate tutorials, and today I am going to create a flow in Microsoft Power Automate by using templates. In this model, we will learn how to create our first flow in Microsoft Power Automate by using templates. There are different ways to create a flow. One of the way is through templates. I will show you how it is. First of all, go through the scenario what kind of flow that we are going to create. If you see, we are very familiar with the Facebook and Twitter, correct? So we are posting our, tweets and Twitter, otherwise we are posting our comments and all these things in our Facebook. There are a lot of templates are available based on sales team in the window, productivity development, software development, hedgehog team, marketing team, classroom. There's a lot of templates, you can find it right now. What we are going to do? We are going to create a flow by using our templates, but there are the different ways. First of all, I will show you what are the ways that we have to create a template. If you see on my screen on the left hand side that will find my flows. Create a template by using these three, you can create a flow. First of all, normally we'll use create template. Let me click on create template. There are three ways to make a flow. First thing in the front, start from the blank. You can create automate flow, instant flow, scheduled flow, business process flow. After that, if you want to create a flow from templates, you can use all this templates all day, and also you can see from a connector. Also you can go ahead and you can, create a flow. So if you are selected the create tab, then which one from your blank that how to create, you can go ahead and you can create it a flow from here, but right now we are going to create a flow from the templates. Let me click on the templates. You can see there's a lot of templates. All flows featured shared with me, approval related, button related, data collection, video events and calendars, mobiles. On so many templates you will find it. Now what I'm going to do, my scenario is what the post I have created, what are the posts I have given in my timeline. How to, the same post has to be there in the Twitter. Right now what I'm going to do, I'm searching for the popular templates, like I'm just clicking on the Facebook, searching for the Facebook, and then clicking on enter. You can see over here the Facebook related templates. You can see post my Instagram photos to my Facebook timeline, create new tweets from Facebook, Facebook post, share my tweets on Facebook. There's a lot of templates. You can find it out. What are the scenarios that we can go ahead and we can do that now? What is our scenario? When I have created a post, create a new tweet from Facebook post. When I have given a Facebook, I have given some of the posts. I know I have posted on my timelines, and then the same post has to be there, has to flow to the Twitter. Okay, now I'm selecting this template. You can see this template by the Microsoft, and it is automated, and this is ID. Let me click on that. This is the one of the sample one that I'm going to create, sample flow that I'm going to creating it based on that. In future session that we'll know how to create a lot of flows based on our related tasks, our related requirement. Okay, now if you see, create a new tweet from the Facebook post, then you can see the Facebook and the Twitter. So keep your Twitter on Facebook post and sync with each other automatically whenever you tweet, every time you post. Tweet every time you post to your Facebook wall. Okay, whenever you are posting some, post on our Facebook, while it automatically goes to the word Twitter. How can we go ahead and how can we see this? Post on Twitter when I have posted in Facebook. You can see this flow will connect to two things. One is Facebook, another one is the Twitter. First of all, you need a Facebook ID. I'm having a sample ID and also I'm having a Twitter account. I'm just going to signing in. If you click on sign in, if you're already there in any Facebook accounts, what are it may be that it will be automatically shown over there, then just try to log in by in that account. Okay, I'm already having one of the account that, this is the sample account that which I already logged into the Facebook account, and then in the same way to the, Twitter also. So I'm having a Twitter account. I'm just giving my credentials. It's just going to remember me an operator, and know if you can see the board that thinks the Facebook and the Twitter has been connected. So whenever I have created a post on the Facebook, it will tweets in the Twitter automatically by using this flow. Okay, and if you see the name it that, create a new tweets on the Facebook post. And I'm going to create that flow by clicking on the create flow. It will takes a little bit time to create it. Okay, once you click it on the create flow that you can find the details. You can see create the flows names that create new tweets from the Facebook post. This is the name. If you want Reddit, you can go ahead and you can edit it. The details you can see the name on the status is on when it has been created on November 13th. That is nothing but today, and they know that modified date. The type is automated, that is nothing, but whenever there is a tweet, whenever the post happen on the Facebook wall, it has automatically has to tweet on Twitter. That I will show you how it is. Okay, and you can see the run here, how many times this run has been applied on the particular flow that is all about, and you can see the connections over here. What are the connection that we have? One is the Facebook, and that one is the Twitter. And also if there are any warning that you can go ahead, and you can edit the one. Now how can we see what are the flows inside? Then you can click on editor. Here you can see the connection between what are the things that had been created as part of the Facebook template. These two things will be applied the same way. You can create by using the create, also by using create tab. You can create the same way, but as of now, I try to create the same thing by without using a template, but the Facebook is not found or they're in my template, in my given create. Okay, fine, that is a different issue that we can check it out later. If you want to rename this thing, just double click code here, and I'm just renaming it Facebook post. I'm just giving the name out of Facebook post. And also you can see if you want to delete any kind of flow here, any kind of action, you can go ahead, and you can see the 3 dots over here. You can go ahead, and if you want to rename it, anything you can select, just rename it, and then whatever you want to do, or here you can type it in the same way. If you want to add any comments, you can go ahead and you can add the comments. If you want to delete this connection, you can go and delete the action, then you can go ahead and you can delete the action. And also if you want to give any connection, just know I have given the Facebook connection over here that you can find it or here. And if you want to add many more connections, or, if you want to use any other connection, then you are going to click on add new connection. Okay, if you want to see the codes what exactly has been returned for this one, just click on the pick code and you can find it out for the entire code. What the code has been written, you can see what is here. The code has been returned for the for the Facebook when they did the post, and you can see the shared Facebook connection IDs, the triggers, and also the parameters interval. You can see for every 15 second, the frequency, it will run for every 1 minute. This is the frequency what we have. So whenever you have clicked on the run, whenever you have posted something on the Facebook, it will take 1 minute to upload to tweet in the Twitter. Okay, this is done and I'm clicking on done. If you want any new steps, then you can go ahead, and you can click on the new steps. Okay, and if you want to save the entire flow, that you can go ahead, and you can save it or here, or, the below one. Also, if you see the below one here, also you can go ahead, and you can click on the save. And if you want to check the flow checker, click on the flow checker. You can see if there are any issues, any errors, any warning that you have found it will be truth or dare. I don't have any errors because I'm using no already selected template, and I'm going to do that one after completely creating your flow. If you want to test it, how can we go ahead, and you can test it? You can see on the right hand tray, there's an option called test. Okay, click on the test. So over here, there are 2 options. I will perform the trigger action or using from the previous one. There are no runs either from this road. This is newly creator, so that I will perform the trigger action on this. Okay, I'm gonna just selecting this option and then clicking on text. When you click on the test option, you can find this kind of thing to see it work now as opposed to a Facebook timeline. This may take a few minutes. Now what I will do, I'm going to Facebook. I'm just adding in my timeline. Hi, welcome to Microsoft Flow. I'm just giving this thing. Okay, when I click on the the post, click on the post, it has to come after 1 minute. It has to come to my Twitter. Okay, as of now, if you see, I don't have any kind of, related to this post. We'll see the history over here. Your flow has run successfully, correct? So once it has been completed, it will come through here. Let me refresh it. You can see the output or here from Facebook. Hi, welcome to Microsoft Flow. This is where, this trigger, this floor has been working successfully. You can see your floor had been unsuccessfully. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this. I'm going back to my Facebook once again, and I'm just tweeting, just with the name. Welcome to Twitter. I'm just giving word here from the Twitter from Facebook. I'm just giving the message over here, and I'm going to click on post. Okay, so to check it out, this flow has been successfully created or not. How can I check it out? Go to my flows. Okay, select what are the flow that you have. Select that and click it on the, click on that post or the flow. And you can see the run sort here. See the run last on what number 13, 11:13 p.m. 1 minute ago. It had been succeeded. So as I said, the trigger is for 1 minute, right? We have to wait for 1 minute and then only we can see in this Twitter we can see the post. Let me refresh right now. It's game or not. You can see, tell no, it did not happen. Let's wait for 1 minute, okay, and then we can see the same tweet over here. Now if you see when you click on all runs that water, the runs have been completed. You can check it out in the run history, okay. How many times this post have been completed successfully. Now let me go to my Twitter, let me refresh, okay, I have already done the refresh. Now you can see welcome to Twitter from Facebook. I have not posted this one directly in the Twitter, whatever I have posted in the Facebook. That is in what are the post on my timeline, Facebook timelines. It has been automatically posted or here, or tweeted or here in this Twitter. I hope you understand how to create a simple Microsoft flow by using Microsoft Power Ultimate in the same way. There are other scenarios also where you can go ahead and you can do the same way, like, if you have the Instagram and you want to post the same photos on the Facebook, you can use the template, or there you can see the temperature here. And also if you want to create a new tweet, as we have seen just now from Facebook to Twitter, and also in the waste watch our Twitter to Facebook. Also we can do by using, this template. And also if you have any videos you have published and it has to automatically publish on your timeline, Facebook timeline, you can use this template, and there are so many more templates are available from Microsoft Power Template. I hope you understand how to create a simple Microsoft flow by the Microsoft Power Template. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section.